How do we effectively sell our product or a program or our offer all the time, every day, because that's ultimately our job, while still giving ourselves space to breathe? So here's what I would do when I've worked with clients who've had memberships. Once a year, when the membership is up for renewal, when it's the anniversary of when you started the membership, maybe it's your birthday. Brick and mortar gyms always do this. Number one, they usually raise the price every year, which I'm not telling you need to do that. But what we're talking about is this idea that once a year, I would love you to do a big launch, a big marketing push, a big promotion. And oftentimes when it is sort of that year marker of the new year or its anniversary, what you can use there is a really simple buy a year in full, get 3 or 6 months free. And I know that sounds crazy, but this is a huge marketing tactic that a lot of memberships use. What you want to do is price appropriately. So if you are going to say buy a year in full, get 3 months free, you want to make sure that you're gauging how much you're actually charging for that year in full so that you're not just out all of that extra money.